All right, hey everybody, we're doing another quick, easy meal prep with me. So all I've done so far is make my ground beef, literally ground the beef, put it in a bowl. That's all I've done so far. And these are going to be ground beef cabbage stir fry. All right, super easy, super quick. So let's finish this up and I can show you just how easy and quick this is. All right, so I have here sriracha, soy sauce, and a little bit of ground ginger. And we're going to throw that, gently throw that in here with what little fat there is from the ground beef. Alright? And then, because I am a very lazy chef, alright, we'll give this a little stir together. What I'm going to do is take my coleslaw mix here, because I don't want to have to waste time chopping veggies up, and I am going to put it into my pan. Alright, so roughly, yeah, look at that, carrots, cabbage, it's going to be delicious. The soy sauce, the sriracha, that ground ginger is going to give us all of the flavor. And we only need to do this for about a minute or two here. Just letting that soak in all of that great soy flavor. I do use low sodium soy. So we're getting not the whole dumping of sodium into our diet. Sodium is pretty good for you. You actually do need some. But since soy sauce is routinely known to be high in sodium, we want to keep it a little lower so we're not completely overdoing it. Alright, so that has soaked that up nice. There is like literally no liquid left on the bottom of this, so this is just going to be heating up and warming up, cooking these veggies. So we are going to let that cook for just another minute longer. You will see the cabbage, it will melt melt a little bit. It will just get softer, and so you'll know when it's the right time. But that has really soaked up all that liquid. Really nice. That's going to taste delicious. Alright, so we're going to leave that now that it's got all of that mixed. We're going to leave that. We're going to come over here taking our brown meat. So I'm going to see if you can see the little setup that I have here. I have my nice weight scale, and I already have my bowls out. So what we're going to do is zero it out from the bowl, and I'm going to give myself about 3 ounces here of the meat, which a little bit over there. So right there, that is the meat. So again, making sure that that is 0. So you know that's roughly 2 scoops of meat each time. A little more on that one. Alright. And this is just how you do it. If you're weighing your food out, 0. You know what you're eating and how much you're eating. And it doesn't have to be complicated, and it doesn't have to be super difficult, or take a super long time. So probably by the time I'm done filling these 5, alright, so last one here. Alright, so that does it for the meat, and the cabbage over here is done. Alright, so this is the same thing. So you can see It's kind of wilted, kind of melted down, a lot less volume to it. So this is what we're going to do. Right, I'll move this to its own bowl just to make it easier. Only because this pan is hot and heavy. So move that down there. Smells delicious. Alright, move the pan back. I will zero this out one more time. And we'll begin to just put that in there. So what I'm looking for here is about 125 grams of veggies. So roughly a cup or so. So once again, we zero it out. We put it in there. And just like that, we have got our meal prepped meals. So it looks like I'll need to make another batch of these veggies, not a problem. Again, it only took it about a minute or so. But to get my 125 out of one bag, looks like I need, I'm going to need another batch. But basically, if I give this a little stir, now I have my beef and my stir-fried cabbage, and you can see that's what it looks like, all finished up. So now I have, when I finish with this, I should have about 6 lunches ready to go, so that I don't have to worry about this for the next 6 days. I know they're perfectly paired up. I know that they are measured out, and I can just eat my bowl, take it to work, and be cool, and still be meeting my goals. So again, meal prep does not have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be hours and hours of cooking. The ground beef took me 5 minutes to cook, about 2 minutes to measure out. The veggies took me another minute or two to cook, and another minute or two to measure out. So in under 30 minutes, you can be done with 6 lunches. And I may pair this with some rice in the little medley cups, which take about a minute to microwave, or not, depending on how I'm feeling. But that's about it. Yep. So another cook with me, meal prep with me is done, and I will see you guys another time. Bye.